Hello everybody and welcome to our Thursday night Rock and Pour collaboration. Louise McKay Art, Lori Houston Art, and myself are so happy you have joined us. It is 7 p.m. and I am about to show you a fabulous, most beautiful, inspiring painting. I love it. And I happen to use a new hairdryer that I was testing out. I'm working with a new hairdryer this week. Becca Harkins uses this. It is the MHU travel blower. I got it on Amazon and I directed some people to it and it sold out already. So hopefully you can keep checking back and it will be there. I'm going to get you down and let you watch how this amazing cresting wave almost kind of evolved by using this little blower. So without further ado, I'm going to get you down and we're going to get started. Thanks for being here. We appreciate you watching. Hello everyone, it's AngeliaBliss with Angiesartasylum and I am testing out a new hairdryer. I was going to compare it to my Drew Barrymore baby flower that I use for a Dutch pour, and I was going to compare it, but I think I'm just going to use it. And then let me know in the comments if you want us to do like a comparison video. So I have been inspired by Becca Harkins and I bought her blow dryer that she uses. It's an MHU little compact travel hair dryer. I have taped the cool button down already so that it blows cool air all the time. It blows high and low. I've never used it. This is going to be my first try at it, so I think we should get started. I have a phthalo blue and a turquoise that I'm going to put on the canvas, and I'm going to get that started and then we'll talk about the colors. So we'll speed this part up for you. I've got Amsterdam titanium white mixed up and I'm going to lay it down first. I have Atelier Silver, Sky Blue Light by Amsterdam, Pebeo Iridescent Blue Green, and then I have Pebeo Studio Iridescent Precious Gold and Amsterdam Copper we're going to use today. So excited to try this little hair blower. It's always fun when you see someone using a new tool to you and it works out so well. I mean, I have a drawer full of hair dryers, so all of them have their specific duties, and hopefully this one will be one that I use often as well. Okay, see, that didn't take long. My end it took long. Your end, pretty fast. The magic of technology. So we're gonna go down with the white first. So I'm just going to pour this down. Hopefully I didn't get it too thin. Looks good. And then I'm gonna go with the silver. In all of these I added water. It was 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint, and then the water to consistency, because every paint, mixes differently depending on the pigments that they have in them. So you just have to kind of do them individually. Sky Blue Light. I love that Atelier Silver. I hope it doesn't take over too much. These Pebeo paints I've never used before, so I'm excited to try them. I've seen other artists use them and I really love them, so it'd be cool to see what effect we get with them and how pretty they are when they dry. And then, as Becca calls it, her hot dog ending, the copper and the gold. Kind of like ketchup and mustard. I guess that's what she's referring to, because it does kind of look like that, I think, when she does it. So let's see. And the gold. This is a very pretty gold. Okay. Get these cups cleaned up and I will get right back and we will blow this out. Give me just a second, guys. All right. Back. Let's see if we can't get this thing worked out. Oh, let me torch this.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, feel
Okay. I love this. I love the hairdryer. I love how the paints are interacting with one another. I don't really want to mess it up. Do I have enough paint off? I think I want to maybe blend it a little more.
Walk up a river, by my son. Feet step over splinters of moon. Golden, I follow the golden, golden things. Gold birds, gold string, gold words, golden is golden. I follow them, golden.
Okay, that's really, really pretty. Super pretty, super pretty. I'm gonna use my motorcycle hose just to kind of blow out a little bit of the edges, maybe.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment.
Love that side.
Stay here forever, 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 forever. I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Oh, love that.
Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
Super pretty, super pretty. Okay. I'm gonna leave it. A little bit of area right there. canvas.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing.
See how that dries.
Took my hand, said let's see now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. Love a little louder.
Edges covered.
Love a little louder.
Oh, that's pretty. Kind of like this not having anything right here. This kind of gives it a little contrast, I think, to the whole other rest of it. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it like that, I'm sure. All right, guys. Well, I'm gonna show you a wet result here in a minute, and I want you to let me know what you guys think about this hairdryer and about the paint. So I'm gonna turn this one camera off, and I will see you guys on the other side. Thanks for watching. Hold on just a second. This thing is really pretty, guys. Very pretty. That gold. Oh. I love it. Hopefully it dries well. I can show you the dried results. Oh, that gold and copper. So pretty. The movement is really pretty too. I really love it. I like the new hairdryer, guys. There you go. I think that's how I'm gonna hang it. Talk to you soon.